In 2017, a team of women from Pittsburgh came together to create a conference that would be a place for women from all walks of life to encounter Jesus Christ together. Inspired by the Holy Spirit, we started a yearly conference featuring incredibly gifted speakers, the sacraments, and Christian fellowship. This is a space to relax, to pray, and to enjoy each other. Our patroness, Saint Joan of Arc, said, "I fear nothing, for God is with me." We are empowered by Christ, and with the support of each other, we can fight the good fight and pursue holiness. Catholic Women's Fellowship exists to gather, equip, and unleash women to live boldly as disciples of Jesus Christ and His Church. Come and join us.